Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, your dedicated lecture for sleep. Tonight we're going to explore a topic that's as ancient as humanity itself, our fear of the dark. So find a comfortable position, let your body relax, and allow my voice to be a gentle guide as we drift into understanding and eventually, into a peaceful sleep. The fear of the dark, often called nyctophobia, is one of the most common fears in the world, especially for children. But many adults carry a version of this unease with them throughout their lives. It's not really the darkness we're afraid of, is it? It's what the darkness might conceal. Our imagination, a powerful tool for creativity during the day, can become a source of anxiety at night. In the absence of light, our brain tries to fill in the blanks, and sometimes it fills them with shadows of our deepest worries. This fear is deeply rooted in our evolutionary history. For our ancestors, nighttime was genuinely dangerous. Predators were active, visibility was low, and survival depended on being alert. That little jolt of adrenaline you feel when a floorboard creaks in the middle of the night. That's a primal echo, a whisper from a time when that sound could have meant real danger. Our brains are hardwired with this ancient alert system. But tonight, in the safety of your own space, we can acknowledge this old instinct without letting it control us. You are safe. You are secure. The world outside your window is quiet, and you are protected within your home. Let's take a slow, deep breath together. Breathe in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And now, breathe out slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and the muscles in your face soften. With each breath, you are sending a signal to your nervous system that it's time to rest. It's time to feel calm. Think about the darkness not as an absence of something, but as a presence in itself. It is a soft velvet blanket that covers the world, allowing it to rest and rejuvenate. The stars, which are invisible during the day, can only reveal their spectacular beauty against the deep canvas of the night sky. The moon casts its gentle silvery glow, a quiet guardian watching over us. The darkness isn't an enemy. It's an invitation to turn inward, to quiet the noise of the day, and to find stillness. It offers a sanctuary from the constant stimulation of our modern world. As you lie here, listening to my voice, become aware of the sounds around you. Not the imagined ones, but the real ones. Perhaps you can hear the gentle hum of a refrigerator, the distant rumble of a passing car, or the soft ticking of a clock. These are the sounds of a sleeping world. They are normal, they are predictable, and they are signs that everything is okay. Let these familiar sounds ground you in the present moment. They are the quiet soundtrack to your peace, a lullaby of the ordinary. Each sound is a reminder that you are exactly where you are supposed to be, safe and sound in your bed. Now let's gently reframe our thoughts about the night. Instead of a time for fear, let's see it as a time for restoration. While you sleep, your body is incredibly busy. Your cells are repairing themselves. Your brain is consolidating memories, sorting through the important moments of your day and discarding the clutter. Your immune system is strengthening, and your energy reserves are being replenished for tomorrow. Sleep is not a passive state. It's a profoundly active and essential process of healing and renewal. The darkness facilitates this incredible work. It is your ally, creating the perfect environment for your body and mind to heal. Imagine the darkness as a quiet, empty space, a blank slate. You have the power to fill this space with whatever you choose. Instead of filling it with fear, let's fill it with feelings of comfort and security. Picture your bed as a safe, cozy haven. Feel the softness of your pillows, the warmth of your blankets. Imagine a gentle, protective light surrounding you, a soft glow that keeps all worries at bay. This light is your own sense of peace, and it is always with you. You can make it as bright as you need it to be. This is your space, your sanctuary. Nothing can disturb your peace here unless you allow it to. Let's do another breathing exercise. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold it gently for a count of 4, and now exhale slowly for a count of 6. Let's repeat that. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This longer exhale helps to calm your heart rate and soothe your entire nervous system. It tells your body on a very deep level that it is safe to let go. It is safe to relax. It is safe to sleep. Continue breathing like this at your own pace, feeling your body grow heavier and more relaxed with each breath out. Think about all the positive things associated with night and darkness. The quiet intimacy of a whispered conversation. The magical feeling of watching fireflies on a summer evening. The profound peace of looking up at a star-filled sky. The night holds its own unique brand of beauty and magic. It is a time for dreams, for imagination to roam free in wonderful ways, creating stories and worlds while you rest. The darkness is not a void. It is a world of potential, a realm of dreams. As we near the end of our time together, let go of any remaining fears. Give them to the night. Imagine placing each worry into a small boat and watching it float away on a calm, dark river, disappearing into the distance. They are not yours to carry anymore, at least not tonight. Tonight is for rest. Your only job right now is to be comfortable, to be still, and to allow sleep to come to you when it's ready. Don't chase it. Simply create a welcoming space for it, and it will arrive. You have done a wonderful job of calming your mind and relaxing your body. You've acknowledged your fears and gently replaced them with feelings of safety and peace. You are ready for a night of deep, restorative sleep. The darkness is your friend, a gentle companion on your journey to rest. Trust in the quiet. Trust in the stillness. Trust in your body's innate ability to find its way to sleep. Thank you for joining me for this sleep lecture. I hope it has brought you comfort and calm. If you found this helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more peaceful nights. Sweet dreams, and sleep well.